Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make music like Marshmello. To begin, focus on crafting a memorable melody using bright, energetic synth sounds. Aim for a tempo between 140 and 150 beats per minute to capture that signature high-energy feel. Your drums should be punchy, with a strong kick and snare driving the rhythm. Don't forget to layer several synth sounds to achieve a full and vibrant sonic texture. For Marshmello's signature sound, super saw synths are crucial for creating those wide, evolving pads and leads. Heavy sidechain compression is essential to get that characteristic pumping effect, especially on your pads and bass lines. Incorporate creative vocal chops and pitched samples to add unique melodic flair and interest. Finally, subtly layer white noise to enhance texture and give your tracks a fuller, more polished sound. When arranging your track, follow a clear structure: intro, verse, build-up, and an impactful drop. Build tension effectively in your build-ups using risers, sweeps, and filtered sounds to create anticipation. The drop must be powerful, driven by heavy bass and energetic drums that hit hard. Remember to keep your arrangements dynamic by using automation to evolve sounds and maintain listener engagement throughout the song. For the final polish, aim for a clean mix where every instrument has its own space and clarity. Boost frequencies around 60 to 80 Hz to give your kick drum a powerful, impactful presence. Employ multiband compression to precisely control the dynamics across different frequency ranges. Finally, master your track to a loud, commercial standard, ensuring it sounds full and punchy without any clipping or distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.